straight set namin itong game natin.
Coach August must be smiling right now. At saka siguro gusto mong pasalamatan ang crowd na dumating dito kahit ang lakas ng ulan.
Well, unang-una nagpapasalamat muna ako sa lahat ng taga-UST, sa mga pare. And then kay Coach August din na nagbigay sa akin ng chance para mapunta dito sa position na to. And then sa lahat ng kaibigan ko, family ko, baby ko, mga taga-Batangas, pinagtungulan, tatatas, and then mga kumpare ko, sinaparing Eman, lahat na. Pasensya na yung hindi mababati. Basta lahat.
Naintindihan nila, Coach. Again, Coach, congratulations to you. At back muna to Noel and Coach Ronnie.
Ayan na po, nagsimula na yung mga celebrations dito. Kanya-kanyang buhat na. Sino yung nakabaliktad na yung binubuhat nila? At si Jessica Curato.
Pwede yan.
Binaliktad nila si Jessica Curato, sabay init siya sa ere. Let's take a look at our set highlight brought to you by Chair for PGM, the first and only multivitamins for teens. Again, so many highlights here for UST, so difficult to choose a winning highlight. Pero ito nga kanilang depensa has just been stellar, and it turns into offense every now and then. Ito pong si Jengbo Lee was checked there by UST, and in the end, Mary Jean Balse, of course, puts it away. And again, what a championship run para din sa kupunan ng UST. And speaking of Mary Jean Balse, she's our best player of the game, and she is with Mosi Ravena.
Well, folks, ito na, MVP, best player, ano pa, best hair, best yung in uniform, Mary Jean Balse. Mary Jean, grabe ang nilaro mo today. Ibang klase talaga. You outclassed everybody. Talaga bang yung mindset mo for today, ibang level?
Sa amin lang talaga kasi nandun lang yung teamwork namin, tapos nagkaisa kami, at saka communication, kasi kailangan, gusto namin manalo, kasi sa puso yung ginagawa namin. Kaya ginawa namin yung best namin. Kaya ito, nakuha namin. Thanks, Lord.
Talaga, ang up to na, mukhang hyper pa itong si Mary Jean. Again, Mary Jean, siguro, no, nakaka-touch yung suporta sa inyo ng UST. Lahat nandito ngayon. Maybe you want to thank them?
Maraming salamat po sa mga UST. Nandito po mga supporters po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At lalo na sa nanonood po dyan sa mga telebisyon. Maraming salamat po!
Well, Ging, di pa tapos yan. Ito ang very special Shakey's bag. Nakita mo naman, backpack yan for today. Just for you. Well, again, thank you and congratulations to you. Back to Noel and Coach Ronnie.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this going. As UST, of course, does their victory cheer, we will have our awarding ceremony now. We bring in Coach Mac Capuela.
Let us now move on to the awarding ceremony. To present the awards, we have Mr. Vic Gregorio, Executive Vice President and COO of Shakey's Pizza. Honorable J.V. Ejercito, Mayor of San Juan. Mr. Ricky Palou, President, Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated. And Mr. Tony Boy Liao, Tournament Commissioner. The Most Valuable Player of the Finals Award. Ang player na ito ay nagpakitang gilas sa finals upang madala ang kanyang team sa championship. Last year, the award went to San Sebastian College's number 7, Suzanne Roses. Today, this award goes to, from the University of Santo Tomas, wearing jersey number 1, Rhea Katrina de Maculangan. And now, presenting the first runner-up for Season 6 First conference of the Shakey's B-League. Let's call on our Lady Stags from San Sebastian College.
Alright, nakikita po natin dito, ina-award na po ang ating second placers from San Sebastian. They also get individual awards. But of course, Rhea de Maculangan, what a deserving winner of Finals MVP.
Yes, totally underrated, but
Yes.
showed us what kind of athlete she is,
That's
especially
true.
in the pressure, in the clutch. And she was the unsung hero likewise in the company of really talented players. As we take a look at this
San
very
Sebastian.
sporting gesture by
Yes.
San Sebastian. Of course, sad faces, some smiles there. Pero, alam mo, they did what they had to do. They just came up short.
That's right, that's
Came
right.
up short.
And they have nothing to be ashamed of with the performance that they did this season. And again, as you mentioned earlier, they will definitely be back.
They will be back.
Yan po ang ating mga runner-ups. And of course, Coach Roger Gorayab will also develop new players to take the place of some of his graduating players. Of course, mawawala na po sa kanilang regular lineup. Ito pong si Charissa Cheta, Sasa de Vanadera, and Luan Latigay.
Yes.
They will be moving on. But again, parang hindi na natin napansin na wala rin dyan si Jeannie Mondihar, who was the heart and soul of their team for so many years. She has also moved on. So San Sebastian evolves after their players graduate.
Correct. And Coach Roger Gorayab has been coaching this squad for the last 25 years.
That is right.
He's won 22 titles for San Sebastian.
Grabe, no?
But sometimes you have to face the good and the bad.
That's right.
Sometimes things happen. You also have
May
to
we
give credit to
call
what
on
UST has done here
Outdo
in the
Sports
finals.
Eyewear's
But they will be back
marketing
talking about
manager,
the ladies'
Mr.
side.
Tony Gangaramani, to join us as we present the trophy and the medals for our champions for Season 6, First Conference of the Shakey's V-League. Let's call on our Lady Tigers from the University of Santo Tomas.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, championship number 4 now para sa komunidad ng UST. Isa-isa na po sila nakakatanggap ng kanilang mga medalya. Of course, there's Mr. Vic Gregorio, our great friend from Shakey's, Mayor JV Ejercito, and of course, Mr. Tony, also giving out some Outdo eyewear. And a lot of supporters to thank this conference para sa komunidad or para sa ating Shakey's B-League. Of course, Cherryfer is also there. And yung mga kaibigan natin from Ora Care also supported the Ateneo team. Outdo has always been there. And of course, sa mga kaibigan natin sa Axel, sa Mikasa, sa J-Marks, everybody making this possible. Ayan po ang komunidad ng UST with their 4th championship. Mighty Band, of course, one of our new sponsors dito. And Cherryfer, always nice to know that you support volleyball dito. Well, Coach Ronnie Magsano, as we take a look at this scene right now, you must be remembering the time, of course, when you won a championship for your beloved University of the Philippines. What's going through the mind now of these ladies, and how do they prepare for the next conference
Well,
now?
number one, I'm sure that they are very fulfilled and extremely happy. They are the winningest team right now in the history of the Shakey's V-League with 4 titles. They will party, they will celebrate. These are young athletes, but they know that they still have a lot of mission that they need to accomplish in our upcoming Shakey's V-League season, in their upcoming UAAP Wars. But these are athletes, they love to play the game of volleyball, and they love Coach Shaq De Los Santos.
And of course, mga kaibigan, it is official. UST is the champion of the 2009 Shakey's Feeling First Conference, and that will do it for us from here at the arena. What a magical ride you've shared with us here in our first conference. On behalf of our interviewer, Mosi Ravena, and my partner, Ronnie Magzanok, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam and see you in October.